What's up, guys? Alex over here in the garage, and I got a mess because I got a couple of boxes down with the parts. This is the bin parts. So I'm debating how low end do I want this upside down Axum to be, because I found some parts that I'm gonna be putting in here right now. I got a headset coming up that's gonna be here tomorrow. And but I'm debating on how low end I really want this thing to be, or I don't know. So let me show you what I got right now. So what I think I am definitely going to be putting into this bike are gonna be these grips. These grips, I think those might be the stock ones. If y'all remember from the Axum, they're brand new, just took them off. So I'm gonna be putting in these grips for sure. Then I have these cranks. They're from the original ones from the Polygon 6QT8 with 32 tooth racework chain ring. This is for the Hollowtech bottom bracket. I left the Hollowtech bottom bracket in here. However, I did found the original ones, and I'm debating whether or not to put in this right here or the stock one with the stock cranks. So I don't know yet. And then I found a 11 to 40 tooth cassette. However, don't know what drivetrain I'm gonna put in here because I don't know what I have yet. And then I don't know. I mean, I know I'm probably gonna keep the Hollowtech bottom bracket just in case. I got a bunch of things right here. I don't know if I should put mechanical brakes in here or go ahead and put in the $26 brakes from this one. They're hydraulic and they work really well. So I don't know, I'm debating. I have also found the stock seat for this one, and I know I have a seat post somewhere over there, a handlebar over there, I have a stem over there. I got a brand new Bolany fork. It's a taper head tube with the true axle. And if y'all remember the stock wheels for this one, I converted the hubs and the front is through axle, so I might need to go with that fork right there. But meanwhile, I don't know, I'm probably gonna make this a 1-part video, 2-part videos, I don't know. Let me flip this bike and set the camera on time lapse and put whatever I have right now, and at least start putting this thing back together. All right, so I got the crank arms and pedals. These are aluminum. All this setup is the one that came on my Polygon 6QT8 originally, except for the chain ring. This is another one. I left the Hollowtech bottom bracket. I went ahead and put in the original saddle and dropper for that came on the Axum, so I'm gonna leave that. I got the wheels ready to go. I can't do anything until tomorrow when I do the headset. So tomorrow, when I come back, I'm gonna do the headset and install the fork, cut it if I need to. And that's gonna be the end for this video. So just give me a second, give me a day or two for you to be a couple of seconds, and then we're gonna go from there. And then on the following video, we're gonna see which of these bikes, which of these two, we're gonna cannibalize the drivetrain. This is the original Axum drivetrain right here. So I might go for this one. We'll see, because the other one is a box 4 and I don't want to get rid of that one too. So I might end up using the stock one and take these brakes and put them in there, but we'll see. But for this video, I'm only gonna be focusing on this, which I already did. You already saw me. This, the headset, the fork, and wrap up that video today. So give me a couple of seconds. For me it'll be a couple of days, but I'll be right back. All right guys, so it's actually a few days later and I got the headset, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on. cut the fork, and set it up. And we'll see if we do some more stuff on this video. But for now, let's go ahead and get the headset started. All right, headset is fully seated all the way around. And I just remember about the paint job that I did on this bike, and I love how this turned out. So I don't know, maybe I regret putting it on for sale, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So now I'm gonna grab the fork. It's a Bolany. It's right here. I don't know what this is. I have had this for quite a few years already, maybe 2-3 years. It is Boost. So, and I love these decals. It's just the holographic kind of thing. They look good. It has the lockout, and it's an Air Fork. To tell you the truth, I do not remember how many millimeters of travel. Might be 120. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But we're gonna go ahead and put this together and go from there. Let me do a time lapse on this because I'm gonna have to cut it to size and then go from there. All right, so this is the only other space that I had. That was from a black Schwinn Axum, and this is also from a Schwinn Axum, but I had painted it to match this right here. Bolany fork through axle. I got the wheels ready to go. This stem, I don't know if I have a shorter one. For now, this is what is gonna go with it. This one I had bought when I had my Mongoose XR Pro. That was one of the first stems that I had. So we're gonna be using that for now, unless I can find a wake one. But if not, then this is it gonna be. I have already put this thing right here. I have some grips right here, which I think are the stock ones. These are the ones that are gonna go. But I think that's gonna cut it for today's video. Stay tuned for the build. I think I already know what I'm gonna go for the drivetrain. So most likely I'm gonna take the original Axe drivetrain and put it in here, because why not? And then I have let me show you. I already have ready to go the original wheel set that I have upgraded the Cruiser hubs to it. So this is gonna get upgraded hubs, by the way, because it's gonna be through axle. So this is ready to go. I just gotta find the adapters for the quick release, but that's not a big deal. Or actually they're right here. I just gotta use this one right here because that's the one that I took out. And I'm gonna be taking out this drivetrain and put it in over there. And I think same thing with the brakes. Should I go mechanical? Just because I have the stock ones, or should I put this $26? I don't remember, those hydraulic brakes. So by the time I select the grades, I don't know which one I'm gonna pick, because I'm not at that stage yet. But for now, leave it on the comments. Which one do you think I'm gonna select? Am I gonna select the mechanical stock ones, or am I gonna put in those budget hydraulics brakes on this one? That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. And I guess stay tuned for the complete build. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.